actually a brand new cruise ship called the Roald Amundsen, and it's destined for travels off the Norwegian coast. The interesting thing about the Roald Amundsen is that it is a hybrid diesel-electric cruise ship. And in the right-hand dry dock, they are actually working on one of our Canadian Coast Guard ships. Now, to get a ship into dry dock, it begins with keel blocks that are arranged along the floor to form a cradle for the ship's hull. The dock is then submerged and the ship is towed within and positioned over the keel blocks. The water is then pumped out and the floating dock rises, bringing the ship up with it. That larger dock on the left can lift a ship of up to 36,000 tons and up to 180 meters in length. Those large yellow and blue sides you see are actually gigantic water tanks, and those are what can be either filled or drained of water depending upon whether the dock needs to be lowered or raised. Also over there on the shore, just in front of us, you see a yellow crane with the letters BDD on it. That's the old Burrard Dry Dock. Incorporated in 1905 as Wallace Shipyards, this shipbuilding company built over 450 ships, and during World War I, built the first deep-sea steel-hulled ships in Canada. In 1958, the Burrard Dry Dock built the St. Rock. Built for the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, or RCMP, to patrol the Arctic, the St. Rock was the first ship to travel the Northwest Passage from west to east and the first ship to circumnavigate North America. It was also an early example of an icebreaker. The St. Rock has been completely restored and it now sits in the Vancouver Maritime Museum, where you can actually go on board it and look around. And we're just slowing down here because directly in front of us is another one of our sea buses. They actually have the right of way, so we're just letting them depart. Now the area around the old Burrard Dry Dock over on the shore is now called Shipbuilders Square. There's been a lot of redevelopment in this part of the waterfront. And Shipbuilders Square contains numerous cafes, restaurants, and